It's your stylist's job to give you a suitable hairstyle, but then it's solely your duty to maintain and slay it. Yes, Miss Nick says so. Hey everyone, it's your girl Miss Nick and welcome back to my channel. Okay, before I jump right into the tutorial for today, I would love to say a huge thank you to you guys for showing me so much love and for supporting my channel. I really do appreciate you guys. If you have not subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Also give a huge thumbs up and leave a comment at the comment section. Today, I'll be giving out tips on how to maintain your wigs properly. So if you've been wondering what you've not been doing right in terms of wig maintenance, or probably you're the type that discards your wig early enough due to lack of proper maintenance, then this tutorial is for you. So continue to watch. Wash your wigs at least once a month. You have to treat your hair like you treat your natural hair. You wouldn't leave your hair for months before washing your hair, would you? Well, if you would, then you should probably change that attitude. So therefore, wash your wigs at least once a month to bring back the shine and make it better. You could choose to wash it at least once in 2 weeks, but then to avoid making it dry out, especially if you don't wear it very often, once a month is just perfect for you. Keep your wigs in a safe place. Your level of storage determines whether or not your wigs are going to last long. Okay, as much as you would want to come back home and yank your wigs off and just dump it somewhere, it is good to store your wigs in a very safe place. You could choose to store it on a mannequin stand like this one I have over there, or you could use a paper box to store your wigs. Again, you could use the silk bag. This is what a silk bag looks like, and you could get it in any local store, or you make it yourself. Like this very one, I made it myself. If you would like to see a video tutorial on how to make your own silk bag, then drop a comment at the comment section so I'll be sure to add it to my tutorials. Avoid regular heat as much as possible. As much as you would love to keep a versatile hairstyle by blow drying today, straightening tomorrow and tonguing the next, it is best to avoid heat as much as possible because this slowly reduces your hair quality and also makes it dry out easily. There are alternatives you could use in place of this, like you could choose to air dry your hair instead of blow drying, or better still, use a flexi rod instead of the tonguing iron when you want to achieve curls. Always brush your hair before and after use. This cannot be overemphasized. Brushing helps maintain the hair and detangle every tangled hair. So brush your hair before you go out, and when you're done for the day, brush it before storing. Apply hair serum to your hair occasionally. This will help bring back the shine and make it look lustrous. Most persons will say their hair is human hair and so they are not supposed to apply anything to their hair. That's wrong. The ideal thing to do is not to apply too much product, but then that doesn't stop you from applying hair serum to your hair, because hair serum would actually bring back the shine. You wouldn't carry your natural hair without applying anything to bring out the shine. So if you wouldn't do that for your natural hair, then you should see your wigs as a substitute to your natural hair, and whatever you do to your natural hair, you should also do it to your wigs. Avoid wearing your wigs 24/7. As much as you would love to slay your wigs all day long, wearing it every day is actually not the best because this would make your wigs wear out easily. Some persons will go the extra mile by wanting to slay to bed. Well, that's too much because that will slowly destroy and damage your hair. And lastly, do not neglect your natural hair. In as much as you would love to keep a good outward appearance, it is good for you to maintain your natural hair because the essence of wearing this whole thing is to protect the inner one. So do not substitute your wigs for your natural hair. In fact, your wigs can never be a perfect substitute to your natural hair. So always treat your natural hair right. That will be all for today. I hope you learned one or two from today's tutorial. I remain your girl, Miss Nick. You could follow me on Instagram at Miss_NickWigs. Don't forget to like, to comment, to subscribe, and to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on anything. Bye for now.
Every single day